Happy graduation for Elisa. She couldn't skip this lame ass party, bro. Those are cute balloons, man. What are they, $15 each? I think they're... There we go. Hey, you got tired of them. You get the balloons. Wait, buddy, let me get the balloons, man. I don't get it. You're gonna choke yourself, man. The wire's going all over him. What's that noise? Oh my goodness. Stop wrecking the graduation party, kid. Man, why does this guy have to wreck the graduation party, man?
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
Move it around, buddy. Come on, man.
Okay, bye.
I got it, dude. I got it. It's good, man. I like this. She always finds the ones that I like. The triangle one I like, and the clear ones. Elisa, right?